Note: what you are about to hear are extracted from BestTopNow.com. For more information, please click the link below. Top 10 Best Kitchen Timer Reviews. Fear of burnt food or undercooked food is definitely a nightmare for anyone who wants to achieve perfection in their kitchen. Most of us will agree that for any type of timer settings or clock requirement, we rely on our smartphones. Probably most of us end up staining our favorite phone with gravy or excess flour due to accidental cooking mistakes. However, digital kitchen timers is an ultimate lifesaver in such cases. Product Buying Guide. What should you consider before you buy best kitchen timers? Preparation of lip-smacking barbecue-based food or baking your favorite cookies. Kitchen timers is a portable and easy-to-carry timers that sends you alerts via text display, alarms, etc. Thus, before you settle down for a final model, go through this buyer's guideline for your final purchase. Portability. Efficiency of alarm sound. Ease of access and hanging. One great poly 3-pack digital kitchen timer cooking timers clock with alarm magnetic back and stand, minute second count up countdown, large LCD display batteries included. This kitchen timer from Great Poly comes with easy-to-read LCD screen that shows you timings. It comes with alarm and countdown timer that gives you the option set time up to 99 minutes. It can be easily fixed on refrigerator. The only issue with this product is that alarm is too loud, which can be annoying for users. 2 Renwayne Digital Kitchen Timer, no frills, simple operation, big digits, loud alarm, magnetic backing, stand, white. This kitchen timer from Renwayne comes with a clear display for easy reading. It has countdown timer with stopwatch. It is easy to hang with magnetic back and hooks. It takes little space during setup due to its compact design. 3 Haber Digital Kitchen Timer, cooking timers clock multifunction with big digits, loud alarm, magnetic backing stand, and memory for cooking baking exercise blue/white, battery not included. This multi-purpose timer by Haber comes with both countdown timer and count up timer. One of the unique feature of this device is that it allows you to set minute, seconds and hour individually. You can use it to set alarm for gym, homework, meetings, etc. 4 Femmes Tower Minute Second Count Up Countdown Digital Kitchen Timer, big digits, loud alarm, magnetic backing, retractable stand, 3-pack black. This kitchen timer from Femmes comes with large display LCD which makes it easy to read. It has 24-hour countdown and counting up setup. It comes in an affordable price. 5 KitchenAid Digital Kitchen Timer, red. This multi-purpose timer by KitchenAid has the easy-to-use push button. It has timer duration of 9 hours, 59 minutes and 59 seconds, which limits its functionality compared to its counterparts. You can use it to set alarm for gym, homework, meetings, etc. 6 Zrex's Digital Kitchen Timer Magnetic Countdown Up Cooking Timer Clock with magnet back and clip, loud alarm, large display minutes and seconds directly input white, 2 battery included. This kitchen timer from Zrex's comes easy to read LCD screen that shows you timings. It comes with alarm, counting up and countdown timer that gives you the option to set time up to 99 minutes and 99 seconds. 7 CDN TM15 Kitchen Timer, extra large big digits, loud alarm, magnetic backing, stand white. This kitchen timer from CDN comes with a clear display for easy reading. It has countdown timer with counting up mode. It is easy to hang with magnetic back and hooks. It takes little space during setup. 8 Amazer Best Digital Kitchen Timer, digital loud timer with large screen magnet for kitchen cooking baking sports games office, includes 1 AAA battery. This multi-purpose timer by Amazer comes with both countdown timer and count up timer along with clock. It is quite easy to carry. You can use it to set alarm for gym, homework, meetings, cooking, etc. 9 Digital Kitchen Timer Stainless Steel, strong magnetic back, kickstand, loud alarm, large display, auto memory, auto shut-off, model ET26, silver, by E-Trade-Winds. This kitchen timer from E-Trade-Winds comes with large display LCD which makes it easy to read. It has set buttons and auto off mode. It comes in an affordable price. 10 E-Trade-Winds elegant digital kitchen timer, stainless steel model ET23, super strong magnetic back, loud alarm, large display, auto memory, auto shut off. This multi-purpose timer by E-Trade-Winds has auto shutdown mode. It has timer duration of 99 minutes and 59 seconds. You can use it to set alarm for gym, homework, meetings etc. Final verdict. Everything has its drawbacks and benefits. With the money you can buy everything. But the real challenge is to buy the best within the constraint of money. So here are some points that you should know. Thank you for your time. We hope this video helped you make a good decision. Please click the link below to check for price and more information.